know about y'all, but I have a very low threshold for following black women on this here app. Ooh, get ready with you, follow. Ooh, what you cooking, follow. Zara haul, follow. Sephora haul, follow. Ooh, is that a twist out? What you use in it, follow. A day in my life as a follow. Come with me to follow. Follow.
Hey y'all, it's Antonisha and welcome back to another video. So today is Friday the 10th. I just got off of work and I took a shower and everything, and I'm about to relax for the rest of the day. I wanted to come over here and start a vlog. So this is the little 1-2 that I got from Ross. If you've seen that vlog, it's super cute. I should have went a size up, as I said. I should have went a size up, but it's like super cute and cozy. I'm gonna go get some more because I like my stuff, these to be like oversized, which, you know, but it's still a vibe. It's still a vibe. But yeah, so in the post that was like seasonal depression is real around that time, and I think that is so true. Only because, not saying I'm depressed or anything, only because like it gets dark at 5 o'clock. Who wants to go somewhere when it gets dark? Like when it gets dark, I want to be in my house. I want to be chilling. So at 5 o'clock, and I get off at 5:45. At 5 o'clock, I don't be wanting to do anything. Like all daylight is gone. Like I don't want to do anything. Yeah, you can still go to the stores. You can still do all of that stuff because it's only 5 o'clock. But who wants to do that? Not me. So then you're like, okay, well, I'll do it tomorrow. Luckily, I'm off on the weekend, so I get Saturday and Sunday. But jeez Louise, who wants to do all of that? Not me. My head is so big. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so that is real. I definitely think that's real. But I just wanted to come on here and start a vlog because I'm gonna take y'all with me tomorrow and Sunday. It is going to be a spend the week with me, I guess. We just gonna rock and roll this whole little video, and hopefully it's long enough to, or I could do 2 parts. I don't know, who knows, depends on what I'm doing. But y'all been showing love to my last video, and I appreciate that. I appreciate you. But I ordered food off of Instacart. I'm gonna go pick that up, make tacos, and then I am done for the rest of the day. So I'll see y'all tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. It'll be so much better than this right here. But I just wanted to come on and, you know, start it. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
These are plums.
Huh? I wonder if they got it. They had this red velvet cake. I'm about to try to find it. Huh? Okay, you can put this in your part. Yeah.
What, bro? Why you in the creek?
I'm not. Yeah, I know I gotta get these.
Marlin special honey hot sauce. Chicken. Bang.
Yeah, they had to because they was all the way down there at first. They do.
Okay.
No. Yeah, we're gonna get some of these.
We got pizza.
These are crazy. I'll put it over there with your daddy.
Sorry.
You need to start paying attention. It's ham, Yuri. Ham and cranberry sauce. You want cranberry sauce? We can try. You want to try it? Well, he don't have no. I'm gonna get her some cranberry sauce too.
Okay.
You want to try it? I don't think you're gonna like it. It's cranberry sauce. But since you want it, I'll get it.
Ham?
No, she didn't even get no ham. They ain't had none out.
Do you like it? Nah.
I don't think you do. I don't know if we're going to the store after this. We could probably get it from another store, but I don't think we can get it from her. Because it's gonna melt in the car.
Which one's gonna go to you next?
I don't know. I can tell you right now. Let's go. She really is eating that cranberry sauce. You want some mommy drink? You done? You done with it? Let's go get some bacon. Can you go down there and get it? Bacon.
Bacon, let me go with him.
Free time? Yeah.
Now, Mom, why do you have to do it like that?
Because I wanted to.
Boing.
You try the cookie.
Hmm?
You try the cookie.
Is it good to you?
I don't like that. That's nasty. She said, Mommy, I just tasted it. It's kind of weird. I don't know, maybe in my teeth. Move it so you won't get them in the camera. Did you want anything to drink, baby?
No.
And he still threw his away. Knowing he didn't like it. And you still threw yours away.
No.
Oh, you eating yours? All right, big dog. I didn't ask you if you want to go in the trash. Watch what you're doing too. Then let you go, Yuri. 1, 2, 3. See ya. Bye. Sorry. Needs that.
2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm gonna get it.
Ready for the cheese.
You can get some black pepper. Get another one of these. Hi.
Hi, this is cheesecake, and this is strawberry, that's chocolate chip, and that's New York fire.
I tried strawberry. It's cheesecake. You want strawberry or chocolate? Strawberry? I might gotta double back.
Well, you know, nutty bars.
Just saw the toys far away. Yeah.
I can't believe they did us like that last night.
Come on. I don't even want to talk about it.
Is that what they want? Let them pick it. Hey,
You want purple or you want black? Purple or black? Purple? No, we can not.
I don't know if we get into it or no. Will they get in 2 boxes or just get it?
What about this one, Yuri?
It's her face for me. This is what we should have got for their ass for them, babe.
We should have. We get both. Wrap. You want to get out? Okay, hold on. Let's get the mix up, right? Wait, okay? You see that? You can grab it if you can. Yes.
You don't know, baby, 'cause when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest
Hi.
thing.
These are so cute.
Well, included.
When is it y'all large? These are large.
Car.
You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in
That's
the
not
rain when
yours.
it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me?
I think I'm gonna get that.
I just wanna
Oh man.
see
This is the only thing about. Oh, them look cute.
I would.
No, them are cute.
I got it.
Maybe we still don't know what color we doing. We still don't know what color we doing. Them are cute, Erie. These are only $1. These are cute. I think I'm gonna get. Oops.
You gonna get that one?
Look at these.
Ooh. What's that? Daddy.
Okay, with the maxi dresses.
Okay, we'll be nice.
He said I would be nice. Yeah, you only gonna be nice because you want something. What's that? Is that an advent calendar?
12 days of socks.
Oh, how much is that? Oh, that's cool.
$5.
Oh, these are cute.
You don't know. Now you into the.
The blue ones are
Now you
cute.
into
That's what I was looking for, Mom.
I think I'm gonna get this. She said that's what I was looking for. Here I come.
I found out both that soap. She said this
Oh, that's what you was looking for?
Mhm.
That's what you want? Okay, for Christmas, right?
Can I grab it?
That's cute. Right there. This table is kind of cute. Whoa. They did a little thing over here. You see how they switched it up? Yeah, I miss mine. It's cute. Oh, y'all, they got the hairbrush dryer. $20 at Five Below. Come get it.
Mom, look at that. It's giant slime.
Oh, wow.
Candle in there.
I see. He said he gonna give me this vlog camera. Content gonna be from 1968.
Get it.
Uh-oh. Let me see. They're having cute little shirts. These are cute.
Look at this Bobby head. He's bobbing. Bob.
Look at some pajama top. That's cute.
Bobby, Bobby.
You got all glitter in your hair.
No.
You do.
I just wanted to record have bones on her hair. So goodbye.
Oh, look at the chicken minis from Chick-fil-A. And they got the chicken sandwiches.
Catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.